Chicken rearing is one of the lucrative and income-generating business in our society. We have some farmers who do the traditional way of chicken rearing, while others do modern technology using electricity to do hatchery, and this will give them better profit. We as Vermas TV, we had an opportunity to meet with Dala chicken farmers who eventually educate and urge our society to invest and start chicken rearing either in small scale or in large scale capacity. Welcome to Dala Chicken Farm, a place full of different activities and bumper harvest of eggs and chicken. We are based in Rodi town, basically Homabay County. We have the incubators that do incubate at a large capacity. This happens in a better way as the Dala Chicken Farm CEO will explain to us further.
These ones are 19 incubators. They are starting to hatch tonight or tomorrow in the morning, and we stop standing at the 18th day. Here we roughly have about 900 eggs, which we expect to hatch between today and tomorrow 25th. They will start to hatch today.
All right.
Yeah, actually they will start to hatch today. Between today and 26th, we shall have all hatched. So we have stopped turning on the incubator at the 18th day. Yes. So this was the water. Sorry?
The function of that water down there.
Yeah?
The function of that water down there.
Yeah, the water is for humidity. You know, here we have temperature and then we have humidity. So the machine is computerized and it controls the humidity of the machine and also the temperature. So water is used to moderate the temperature in the machine and the humidity. The capacity of this machine is 3,168. We have about 2,900 eggs here, which are going to hatch in 2 different days. This one will hatch on 11th of May, and this one here will hatch on 4th of May. So we have 2 lots. You see, it's now turning. It's an automatic incubator. It is turning. That one we set it to turn after every 90 minutes. So it has just happened that the 90th minute it reached. So it's turning. It's an automatic turning incubator. So these ones we have 2 slots. The ones which will be hatching on 4th of May and the ones which will be hatching on 11th of May. Here we have about 2,900 eggs. Yes.
Mr. CEO, just maybe concerning the poultry farming, there are those who are maybe will to start such a project. Do you also offer medicine or maybe any other advices for those who are upcoming farmers?
Yeah, to our farmers we train them. If we have a farmer group, we have a group of experts that we send to the field and train them. We train them on feeding. We train them on vaccinations, and we take them through. We work with them, and then once their chicken are ready for market, we always connect them to the hotels around, and also those who are doing catering in the funerals. So we always connect our farmers to the market.
A place. Having an opportunity of talking to Dala Chicken Farm, basically the CEO, we had an opportunity of knowing more about chicken rearing and the advantages, the merits, and the demerits that are involved, just like the CEO explains further. Welcome to our show today. This is Perma TV, and today we have an opportunity of visiting Dala Poultry Farm as a way of investing in agriculture. Agriculture is one of the ways that provide employment opportunity in our society. May I take this opportunity to give a chance to Dala Poultry Farm CEO. He will start by introducing himself. Karibu, Mheshimiwa.
Thank you very much. My name is Nicholas Ayeta. I am the owner of Dala Poultry Farmers Limited. Basically, we hatch, brood, and we sell improved kienyeji. Yeah, that is improved local breeds of chicken. Yeah, so we have eggs which we buy from a pool of farmers that we have created.
Yes.
And we also have our own eggs, chicken, which are laying eggs for us.
Okay.
So here where we are at the hatchery.
Right.
And this is where we brood fertilized eggs for 21 days.
Right.
And after we've hatched, we have brooders. And now we start selling. We sell from 1 day old to the time that stock is completely sold. But due to demand, we hardly have chicks which go up to 5 weeks. Yeah, and at 5 weeks, that is when we are fully vaccinated. That lot. Okay. Yes.
Mr. Nicholas, what was the main aim as to why you decided to start this lucrative business of poultry farming?
Thank you. I am a passionate farmer. I've been farming, doing different kinds of farming activities, ranging from planting of tomatoes, melons, and also planting of beans. But Dala Poultry Farmers Kenya Limited was born during the COVID period. When we were inside the house, we could not go out. And at that time I had bought this small incubator. So I just thought that, just resting indoors all through, I can incubate some eggs because this one carries about 500.
Okay.
So I said I can look for eggs, incubate for 21 days, and definitely I will get 40,000 because at that time we were not allowed to travel and could not even make income. So Dala Poultry came as a result of COVID when we were in the houses. I started to do the hatchery.
Thank you so much. Some people
2020.
2020. All right. Some people who wish to start such kind of businesses, though there are people who are doing it in a local way, and you decided to venture in it in a digital manner. Is it easy to gain the capital to start this business?
Well, it is not easy to, getting capital now depends on an individual. Yeah, like for myself, already I had bought a small incubator, which I had bought some time back, and that incubator cost me 65,000 at that time. So if somebody can raise capital, for example, you have to start in a small way. If you have 100,000, for example, you'll be able to start, because now that means that you'll be able to buy a machine, small machine, which can carry roughly say 500 eggs, and then you'll also be able to source for eggs. Yeah, and then once you started, you will definitely get customers to come and buy.
Okay.
If you are doing it in the right way.
Mr. Nicholas, what are some of the merits, the advantages of doing poultry farming?
One of the advantages of doing poultry farming is that there is market for poultry. Today, most of the people don't eat beef. Today, most of the people eat white meat.
Yes.
And apart from fish, the next one is improved meat. So there is demand for it, and that is the major advantage because it will supplement your income. Yes.
Where do you get your market?
I have a lot of repeat clients, those who had already bought the chicks from me. They have come back because we really follow the vaccination schedule. Most of our chicks, if well taken care of, hardly die because we have a very thorough schedule. And when you buy, even before we complete the vaccinations, then we give you that form, which shows where we have reached in terms of vaccination. So you can proceed from that. So we have a lot of referrals, and we have people who are just, we are on the road. Those who are saying, what is happening here? People who are curious. Then they walk in. So we have walk-ins, we have referrals, we have big clients. And once you've created a niche, in that region, people will always be asking, where can I get improved local breed of teenage, of chicks? They will always come.
Mr. Nicholas, as a poultry farm, what are some of the challenges that you got?
The biggest challenge is sourcing of good fertilized eggs. You may buy, say, 50 crates of eggs, that is 1,500 eggs, and then you incubate for 21 days. Then you end up, for example, you may end up even hatching a half. Yeah, so one of the biggest challenges is sourcing. The availability of fertilized eggs. That is one major challenge. The other challenge is cost capital. Yeah, capital. If it requires a little bit of capital, and you really have to take care of biosecurity. Chicks are very delicate. One mistake, the whole flock is down. So, and another challenge is persistent power blackout in the region. When we use these machines are run by electricity. And when the electricity goes off, then we have to, that is why we have this backup, the power backup. But sometimes you find the electricity is not there even for 2 days. You run up and down with the power, they store back the electricity. So if you don't have backup and money to buy food, then it becomes a challenge.
Mr. Nicholas, maybe there are our viewers outside, they are listening to us or watching us right now, and they wish to reach you. How can someone reach you in terms of contact, any media platform that they can find Dala Poultry Farm?
Well, we have Dala Poultry Farmers on Facebook, and we are strategically placed actually. We are on the main road, Rodi, Ibo Road, that's Rodi, Road. You can see we are just on the tarmac road. Immediately on your way towards Ibo, that's towards Rango. You hardly walk, it's about 300 meters from there, so 400 meters from the center of Rodi town. On the road, you are on the left side, you see Dala Poultry. We also have our business contact as well. My number is 0711 49 17, and also 27200 73 404.
You can repeat your contact.
0711
Okay.
49 00 17 07 73 404.
Yes. Thank you so much for giving us your ear, your host. On behalf of my guest today, Mr. Nicholas Kalita, the CEO of Dala Poultry Farm, your host. Thank you. I've noticed that this is one of the best lucrative and cheap business to venture in. As Dala Chicken Farms, we sell different products of chicken rearing. We have 1 week old chickens that goes for 150 shillings per chicken. We also have 2 weeks old chickens that we sell at a pocket friendly price, that is 180 Kenyan shillings. Thereafter, we have 3 weeks chickens that we do sell at a price of 200 shillings each. There are also 1 month chickens that goes for 250 Kenyan shillings. Then the last categories that we have are 5 weeks old chickens that we do sell at 280 Kenyan shillings. Our target audience are people within our locality, and we are looking forward to working with anybody who is interested in this kind of business abroad or within the nation Kenya. We also sell other products like well-grown chickens and eggs in large capacity. We urge